The sale of non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, is down 92% from its September peak, according to the website that tracks NFT buying and selling transactions called Non-Fungible. The rise in interest rates has made betting on financial markets riskier, and NFTs, in particular, are considered among the most dangerous and most speculative. Several NFT owners found that their investments had lost a lot of value compared to the amount they paid when they bought them. The most emblematic case was the NFT created on Jack Dorsey's first message on Twitter, which was bought in March 2021 for $2.9 million by Sina Astavi, CEO of Malaysia-based Bridge Oracle. When Astavi put the NFT up for auction a few months ago, he received no bids over $14,000. In early April, another NFT buyer purchased an NFT signed by Snoop Dogg and titled Doggy number 4292 for about $32,000 worth of Ethereum. The NFT, an image of a green-skinned astronaut standing on a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, was auctioned with a reserve price of $17.7 million. The highest bid at this moment is 0.22 Ether, about $2,000. This has triggered considerable panic. Some traders are talking about an imminent collapse of NFTs. Theft and hacking-related problems on the platforms selling NFTs. Hackers have pilfered owners of non-fungible tokens several times. 179 NFTs, equal to $800,000, were stolen through a phishing attack. The hacking was carried out through a Discord server that was dedicated to the art collection called Rare Bears by Enox. On March 17, a hacker gained illegal access to the server administrator's account. The hacker posted an announcement within the group informing that a new NFT minting was in progress, followed by a phishing link. As soon as the users clicked on the link, their NFTs were stolen. And if this sounds like a sensational theft to you, you probably haven't heard about the one suffered by the video game Axie Infinity, which uses the NFT mechanism to sell its creatures. In fact, through a cyber attack on this video game, a group of hackers managed to embezzle more than $600 million in cryptocurrencies. Another critical issue of NFTs, the possible tax burden. The federal agency is examining the NFT market, intending to regulate certain types of assets as if they were securities. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is monitoring both the creators of certain NFTs and the crypto exchanges on where they trade. Its aim is to determine whether digital assets are being used to raise money like traditional securities. NFTs would be considered securities if they pass the Howey test, which is defined as investment of money in a common enterprise with a reasonable expectation of profits to be derived from the efforts of others. If so, the transaction is subject to disclosure and registration requirements by law. According to the Journal of Accountancy, the creation of an NFT might not give rise to a taxable event. By contrast, if a buyer had paid the artist not just for a piece of artwork but also for having transformed it into an NFT, the total purchase price would be taxable to the artist, just as if the buyer had paid the regular purchase price for a tangible artwork plus a bonus since autographed at their request. We have included the sources of this video in the description. What do you think about the future of NFTs? Will they be destined to disappear like the icons of years past? Or is it something completely different? Subscribe to this channel, so you don't miss the following video on NFTs. We will discuss the similarities with pathological gambling disorder.